Big in Vegas and beyond. I'm still filming out here because I can't believe we're getting a blizzard in Vegas. They're calling for this to happen all night tonight, all day tomorrow, and I think most of the next day after that. So we're I think the last time I looked, we're under this winter weather warning, whatever it's called, for the next 3 or 4 days. And the temperature is dropping so much that I can actually see my breath in Vegas. This has never happened before. This is crazy. I mean, yeah, last year, the year before that, we got some snow, but it wasn't like this. This is full on blizzard.